In India's rapidly changing landscape, high-speed rail is no longer a distant vision, it's becoming reality. Between two of India's vibrant economic hubs, Pune and Hyderabad, a high-speed corridor is being planned to offer future speed connectivity, efficiency, and a new direction for regional development. In this documentary, we bring you a comprehensive, real-time update on the Pune-Hyderabad high-speed railway, capturing strategic goals, engineering complexity, economic promise, and cutting-edge technology, all as of August 2025. Pune and Hyderabad, centers of technology, education, and industry, suffer from increasing traffic congestion and limited air capacity for short hops. The Pune-Hyderabad corridor spans approximately 580 to 620 kilometers, depending on the alignment, and is ripe for transformation. If designed for speeds of 300 plus km/h, this rail link could shrink travel time to 2.5 to 3.5 hours, creating viable same-day business, education, and medical travel options. This would alleviate pressure on domestic flights, reduce carbon emissions, and unlock productivity. In 2024 to 25, national planners included this route among top potential corridors after the Mumbai-Ahmedabad success. It's now in high-priority DPR discussions, driven by pressing intercity demand and future growth projections. Alignment is critical. Options include Srinaxist rail corridors through Daund, Solapur, or a southern path via Ahmednagar and Latur regions. Each route balances directness, construction cost, terrain, and station network reach. Station locations under discussion include Pune, near Lohigan, intermodal connections, Daund, possibly as a regional hub Solapur or Latur, depending on alignment Hyderabad, integrated with metro and airport links. More stations increase accessibility but add dwell time and reduce top speeds. Balance is key. Corridors aim for 4 to 6 major stops with supporting feeder transport to create high ridership, high-speed synergy. High-speed rail at 300 km per hour requires meticulous civil design, slab track on concrete fastenings for precision. Minimal curve radii to avoid speed reduction. Viaducts or elevated sections near urban or flood zones to reduce land disruption. Earthworks and slope stabilization for monsoon resilience. Viaduct construction techniques such as incremental launching or balanced cantilevers reduce impact on terrain. In Maharashtra's monsoon-prone belt, drainage systems and embankment armoring are engineered to prevent erosion or capacity loss. Drainage management, permeable embankments, and active monitoring systems form the safety backbone of the corridor. Modern high-speed trains leverage high-strength steel, aerodynamics, regenerative braking, and advanced onboard electronics for speeds of 300 plus km/h. Options for Pune, Hyderabad include Japanese, Shinkansen style, European designs, or a domestically adapted Vande Bharat variant. Signaling must be uninterrupted, using automatic train control such as ETCS Level 2 and 3 with in-cab signaling, redundant communication, and real-time train monitoring for safety and capacity. Power is delivered via 25 kV AC overhead catenary, supported by dedicated traction substations and backup power systems to maintain uninterrupted speeds. Travel on existing routes between Pune and Hyderabad by fastest train or flight still runs 6 to 8 hours combined with check-in times. With high-speed rail, express services targeting 300 km per hour could reduce it to approximately 2.5 hours from city center to center. Imagine a business executive traveling from Pune to Hyderabad in the morning, conducting meetings, and heading back the same evening. Save time, energy, and environmental impact. By August 2025, the Pune-Hyderabad corridor is in a preparatory DPR stage. Technical models, cost-benefit analyses, land studies, and environmental planning are underway. Upon DPR approval, National High-Speed Rail Corporation Limited, NHSRCL, will likely spearhead project execution, including procurement and oversight. This institutional structure mirrors the successful India-Japan partnership on Mumbai-Ahmedabad HSR. Cost estimates for high-speed corridors hover between Indian rupee 1-2 crore per kilometer, placing the Pune-Hyderabad line at Indian rupee 6,000 10,000 crore or more depending on bridges and alignment complexity. Funding could include Government of India allocations and ODA loans, Japan, World Bank, state contributions from Maharashtra and Telangana. Public-private partnerships, e.g., hybrid annuity model. Monetization through station area development and commercial assets. Phases may be broken into civil construction, system integration, rolling stock procurement, trial testing, and inauguration, sequential yet overlapping to optimize time and cost. High-speed rail corridors face hurdles. Land acquisition and resettlement require negotiation, fair compensation, and political coordination. Monsoon impact, especially in earthworks and drainage zones. Use of viaducts and reinforced embankments mitigates this. Environmental clearances, particularly in protected forest or waterway zones, offset plans like reforestation and wildlife corridors are essential. Cost and funding delays, phased clearances, single-window approvals, and solid state-center coordination reduce time lags. Beyond transport, high-speed rail stimulates economic zones. Stations can become hubs for tech campuses, logistics parks, warehousing, hotels and retail, creating jobs and tax revenues. Corridor structuring enables inclusive growth by opening up medium towns. These are changes similar to those seen near European high-speed stations. Estimates suggest thousands of direct and indirect jobs, increased regional property values, and improved access for rural economies. The Pune-Hyderabad High-Speed Railway is more than steel and speed, it's an engine for growth, sustainability, and a connected future. As DPRs move forward and funding takes shape, India stands on the threshold of new mobility. If you enjoyed this deep dive, please like, subscribe to the Build Chronicle, and let us know which infrastructure project you'd like to explore next. Until then, see you on board the future.